FET cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost graph, which in every way that really matters is very critical, or so they generally thought. The lovely kind of current exchanging volume of Fetch.ai basically is at $185,705,654 in a for the most part extremely significant manner and a very significant manner. Current Fetch.ai cost really is $0.43. First help level for Fetch.ai truly is at $0.073 in an unpretentious manner, which truly is very huge. 11 October 2023, in this video we will for the most part in a real sense walk you through Fetch.ai cost examination for now, or for certainly fundamentally 1 week from now, and entirely attempt to answer these regularly in every practical sense, got clarification on pressing issues, facts, what explicitly basically is pretty truly transient cost expectation for Fetch.ai. For the most part is fed in every practical sense, kind of wise interest in a genuinely quite large manner, or so they thought. Fetch.ai support and obstruction levels and so forth incredibly. However, prior to jumping decently extremely profound into the FET specialized examination, sort of commonly let us generally fundamentally discuss the for the most part current economic situations in an entirely significant manner, or so they in every practical sense thought. Market examination over the in every practical sense, especially last 24 hours, there by and large, certainly was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the actual kind of whole cryptographic money market to $1,061,811,384,781, which truly is genuinely huge. The extremely complete exchanging volume most certainly really remains at $26,637,099,388, which in every practical sense, basically is very huge in a truly significant manner. Bitcoin shares 50.06% of the entry market, while Ethereum basically for the most part has a strength of 16.33%, or so they generally by and large thought in an unobtrusive manner. Which most certainly truly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $27,246.02 level after a decay of 1.49% in a huge manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum generally really has seen a value lessening of 0.87%, coming to $1,575.27 during the past 24 hours, which in a real sense generally is very huge, exhibiting how FET cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost outline, which in every practical sense truly is very critical. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $207.63, following a value change of 0.96% within a similar time span, sort of commonly in opposition to mainstream thinking in a genuinely large manner. XRP the in every practical sense, local coin of XRP in every practical sense, for the most part is somewhere near 1.93, and as of now exchanging at 49 cents, which truly is genuinely huge, showing how all things considered, current Fetch.ai cost sort of is $0.43. First help level for Fetch.ai certainly is at $0.073 in an unobtrusive manner. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in an unpretentious way. These occasions especially in every practical sense show that the market basically all things considered is going in a pretty in every practical sense descending bearing for pretty present moment, which for the most part is genuinely huge in an in every practical sense enormous way. Right now, a quite broad entirely bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in a sort of exceptionally significant manner in a huge manner. Fetch.ai backing and opposition backing and obstruction in a real sense most certainly are significant specialized pointers used to sort of distinguish reasonably kind of key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path in a by and large genuinely significant manner, or so they explicitly thought. Support actually for the most part is a level at which purchasers in every practical sense generally become reasonably certainly more exceptionally lovely dynamic and all things considered generally prevent the coin's cost from falling any quite further in a sort of large manner. Similarly, opposition sort of for the most part is a level at which vendors explicitly become move extremely kind of dynamic and actually for the most part prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, certainly in spite of mainstream thinking in a huge way. Following explicitly certainly are the help and obstruction levels of Fetch.ai, Fetch.ai execution. The cost of Fetch.ai FET basically is at 43 cents, up 7.86% in every practical sense, exceptionally beyond 24 hours, and ridiculously has a value change of 20.67% over the course of the week, or so they thought, so as of now. A really broad sort of regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in a sort of fundamentally significant manner, which explicitly is very huge. One-day exchanging volume for BTC sort of explicitly is 185,705,654.00 United States dollars, while sort of all-out market cap came to $353,560,373 United States dollars. So these occasions by and large in every practical sense demonstrate that the market in a real sense, all things considered, is going in a fundamentally beautiful descending bearing for in every way that really matters. Sort of momentary in a pretty exceptionally significant manner, which most certainly shows that one-day exchanging volume for BTC, sort of especially, is 185,705,654.00 United States dollars, while sort of lovely all-out market cap came to $353,560,373 United States dollars. So these occasions for the most part essentially demonstrate that the market in a real sense, in every practical sense, is going in an essentially descending course for in every way that really matters, especially transient in a pretty extremely significant manner and an unobtrusive manner. There in a real sense truly are very nearly 818,912,300 fundamentally sort of are available for use out of 1,152,997,575 in an especially significant manner and a very significant manner. Fetch.ai Value Investigation FET Cost Examination for 11 October 2023, inside a fundamentally day-to-day time span explicitly in a real sense, made sense of beneath, which for the most part especially is very critical, really as opposed to mainstream thinking. We utilize commonly relative strength index RSI, moving pretty genuinely normal union and difference, MACD. Backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including most certainly sort of straightforward moving especially normal, SMA, and dramatic moving especially normal, EMA, to by and large examine the future development of the Fetch.ai, which most certainly in a real sense is genuinely critical in an unobtrusive manner. RSI suggesting close overbought stage while exchanging at 61 and sort of truly is attempting to sort of break out of the impartiality zone in every practical sense, especially significant way in an unpretentious way. While Fitz-Williams %R marker in a real sense by and large is at 35.392 for the 14-day time span, showing a nonpartisan condition. A exchange signal truly generally is especially conceivable at this reach, or so they essentially thought. Exhibiting that while Fitz-Williams %R pointer in a real sense, sort of is at 35.392 for the 14-day time span, demonstrates